Hi guys, welcome to Gavin Bruce Personal Training, and today, Tuesday Tips, episode 5, I'm going to be talking about the abs roller. So I've done a video on how to do it, the benefits, what it does, how to do it, and then as well as in the last 15 years of working in the fitness industry, seeing how people normally use the ab roller. I highly recommend this exercise. The next few weeks I'm going to be sharing a number of videos going on with what I like and what I like to use for a six-pack abs workout. These are great exercises to use, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, if you like this page, hit the like button, subscribe, like my Facebook page, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great evening and keep safe.
Okay, so doing the correct form with the abs roller, as you can see, just getting the breathing in the right motion is very important. So it's breathing on the end going down and then exhaling on the effort coming up. Notice how my lower back is curled and bum tucked in. I'm squeezing my bum, engaging the pelvic floor as well as my transverse abdominals, so my lower abdominals, and coming all the way up. So you're basically stretching, keeping tension in the abdominal, stretch, feel that stretch, and then pulling all the way up into that crunch, so that crunching, that feeling. So you're squeezing and contracting the muscle coming up. All right, so that is how you do the abs roller, and as well as it helps with your core and abdominal strength. Here are some poor techniques that we're going to be using and what we normally see. So look at how the hips don't move, the back is arched, tummy is pulled out, and you're just basically getting a bit of a shoulder workout. Probably feel a little bit of the tummy, but it's so bad that you'll feel really problems in your lower back after a few months doing this. Same here, arms straight, extend all the way out. Look how hyperextend your lower back is, so you're getting a lot of all your tension going into your lower back but not into your core. And then the third one is also hips don't move, hyperextension in the lower back, no control coming up and down. And I often see these in the gyms. And this is the correct way, keeping your spine nice and curled, tummy nice and pulled tight, protecting the spine, activating the core.